scratch learning the sport of fencing. The use of swords has also meant different things to cultures throughout history, and we'd like to share some of that with you today. Many of the cultures we have studied have had a relationship with the sword. To some, it has been a way to show aggression, to go on the attack. Others have used it as a method of defense to protect their people and culture, and to fight back. During some periods in history, the sword was a way of life, part of the order and regimen of a society. In modern times, the sword was allowed people to creatively express themselves in a spirited duel or in sport.
En garde, s'il vous plaît. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque, touche. Point. Merci. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque première, parade, riposte, touche. Point. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque composée, touche. Point. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque, parade, riposte, non volade, remise, touche. Point. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque, parade, riposte, touche. Point. Merci. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, attaque, parade, riposte, touche. Point. Merci. Êtes-vous prêts? Allez. Halte, final attaque, touche. Point. Merci.
The salute and handshake is always included as a sign of recognition and credit.
Thank you very much, 7th grade.